Hi friends, today I am going to show you how to write English alphabet, small letter and capital letters step by step. So don't skip this video and subscribe this channel for more videos, and comment below what art I will do in the next video. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe 5-Minute Arts YouTube channel and follow the 5-Minute Arts official Facebook group. And don't forget to join our official Facebook group. If you want to get support from us, you have to join in this group. Our Facebook group name is 5-Minute Arts official group, or check link in the description. Thank you.